WCBI First Alert AccuWeather Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
It's a gorgeous Friday afternoon. Look at this live scene from Tupelo with our Alpha Insurance camera. We have gorgeous blue sky, comfortable temperatures relative to where we have been earlier in the week. And as we do a little SkyCam tour, you'll be able to see that we do have some pleasant conditions everywhere here across our region. Columbus, a live view looking back to the north. And over into Louisville, Mississippi, some of those wispy cirrus clouds. And over here at Durham's Pharmacy in Vernon, much the same story. Lots of blue sky. It is a great Friday to be alive here across our region because it's very pleasant. We have a little bit of a breeze. We are not as hot. No record highs today. We actually have some drier air blowing on in from the east. There's a big area of high pressure over there in the Carolinas, and it's actually backing up into our area. So we're pushing the deep tropical moisture back to the west into Arkansas. And that's where the rain is currently going, but we have high pressure and firm control, and that's going to give us a great day. So mid to upper 80s today, more seasonal, still a bit above the average though, but not as extremely hot as what we had earlier this week. Football for this evening, maybe around 80 initially right at kickoff, and then we'll be cooling down into the 70s, mid to low 70s here by the end of the games with mainly clear conditions. So drier air, clear skies, lighter wind tonight will give rise to some mid to low 60s for lows. We haven't had a night like that for a while. Upper 80s to around 90 for your Saturday if you're heading out to high school or if you're heading out to college football tomorrow. Sunscreen, sunglasses, your hats are needed because that sun is still very powerful. High pressure remains in control of our weather for the weekend, so we're partly cloudy Saturday. We stay dry, mostly sunny to partly cloudy on Sunday. Notice the front back to the northwest there late Sunday. That's going to try to get in here early next week. We're not too confident on exactly what we will get out of that, but just looking ahead for the rest of the month, it looks like it's going to be warm, so any front that tries to come on down here looks like it'll have a difficult time as it approaches the deep south until sometime in October. This is Hurricane Jerry approaching the Leeward Islands right now as a Category 1 storm. This is still expected to curve back out to sea and not affect the lower 48 next week. Here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We're looking great for your weekend into next week. Fall begins Monday, very early Monday. I think it's about 2:50 Central Time in the morning, but it's still going to be warm next week with highs in the lower 90s. And again, just a